We start with Oklahoma City, and who else but the Baylor Lady Bears. That's exactly where they end up. And Kim Mulkey, she took her team to the Final Four the last time that they were actually able to play in the OKC Regional. Texas Southern, they're making their very first NCAA tournament appearance in school history. Congratulations to the SWAC champions. And there goes Baylor. It's their first time, though, entering an NCAA tournament off a loss since 2010. How will they recalibrate here in the tournament? Let's go to your 8-9 matchup.